So let me show you guys how to install the latest version of Python on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Python. Press enter. From here, click the official link python.org. Place your cursor on downloads, and currently Python 3.14.6 is the current version. So click the button and wait for the exe file to get downloaded. So right click and click open to continue with our setup. So from here, click use admin privileges when installing, as well as add Python to path, and click customize installation. Leave all the options in default and click next. From here, under advanced options, click install Python 3.14 for all users, and our Python will get installed in this location. Leave it in default and click install. Click yes. So the setup was successful. We can verify the installation. So come to the search bar and type cmd and press enter. From here, simply type python space -- version and press enter. So just type python space -- version and press enter. And you can see we have successfully installed the latest version, which is Python 3.14.6 on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.